Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rixson number 181770-ASY. This is a pivot stud, is what this is, used in their top pivot assembly, and is really the piece that joins or that allows the door portion and the frame portion to physically connect to each other. 181770. We're going to pull up and see where this is used. 181, pardon me. Yeah, 181. So the pivot stud is going to be used in the, certainly the 180 series top pivots, and also the F180, and then the derivatives of that stuff. That pivot meaning the 20-minute version of that 180 pivot. The 180 top pivots are used in their 27 series floor closers, their 20 series floor closers, their 51 series floor closers. The 180 is used in the 117 and a quarter inch pivot set. The F1, the 117, the F117, the 147, the F147 sets, the L147 and the FL, the fire-rated lead-lined version of the 147, the 195, the 173, the 117 and a half, the F117 and a half, L117, FL117 is where you're going to use all of those. So those last, units, those last that I listed are pivot sets, and the floor closers were the initial ones, the 27, the 20, the 51. And I do see instances where this part fatigues, more commonly lost when the door has been removed from the opening and parts have just been, not kept track of. Let's take some dimensional properties of this item so that we can better archive what exactly this pivot assembly is, this pivot stud. Overall length, .098 overall length. The diameter, 0.497. You've got that seated rubber O-ring that's there. The short version, the short dimension of it, just do it this way. Okay, you can see where all that plays in terms of the length from the end. And then you've got the threaded portion there for securing into the, what would be the door portion. Okay. Very common item in the sense of where it comes out of. It's not common for us to sell these because the top pivot doesn't carry any weight. It just really keeps the door in place. But with enough use, decades worth, I could see something fatiguing and needing to be replaced in that pivot stud with the lateral pressure of the door weight, hanging on the pivot stud over time. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can view not only all of the Rixson products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name Rixson, quite synonymous with pivot hardware, floor closers, probably both, and then many other items as well, but floor closers and pivots is what you'll hear about Rixson the most of. Any questions on this or any other Rixson product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.